Hello everyone, and welcome to my fashion and beauty tips channel. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Hydrating face mask for dry and dull skin with natural ingredients like honey and aloe vera for moisturized and radiant glowing skin. Even after doing a long step of skincare every day, your skin still looks dull and dry, making your makeup look like it doesn't fit your skin well. Your skin needs extra hydration and nourishment, which seems unachievable, but with extra care to moisturize and hydrating face masks, you can relieve your skin to moisturize and revitalize it from dry patches and dullness with a glowing effect. The ingredients in this mask will not only hydrate but also provide essential nutrients like vitamins and antioxidants, which are important essentials for your skin. Try out these 12 natural hydrating face masks for dull and dehydrated skin. For a healthy and glowing face ritual, you must add them to your skincare routine. 1. Honey and yogurt mask. When your skin feels dry, tired, and lacking glow, honey and yogurt are simple yet effective ingredients that will work wonders for your skin. Honey is packed with moisture and has the capability of keeping your skin moisturized, while its antibacterial properties help to keep the skin calm and clear. While mixed with yogurt, which is composed of lactic acid, it will help exfoliate the dead skin cells, and probiotics will support a healthy skin balance. Applying this mask will make your skin smooth and comfortable, making your skin soft and hydrated, while achieving a radiant and perfect boost at home. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt to form a smooth paste, and apply them evenly to your face, and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This will keep your skin soft and glowing. 2. Avocado and olive oil mask. The rich texture of the avocado and olive oil mask will penetrate deep inside your skin, executing a hydration to the skin, leaving it smooth and moisturized. Avocado, packed with vitamin E and healthy fats, helps repair and nourish skin from the inside out. Olive oil helps add a protective layer loaded with antioxidants and fatty acids that helps lock in moisture and will keep your skin moisturized, making it soft, healthy, and radiant. Mash half of a ripe avocado and mix it with a teaspoon of olive oil. Apply them gently all over your face and leave them on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse off with lukewarm water. This will keep your skin nourished and soft. 3. Aloe vera and cucumber mask. If you have sensitive skin, which gets irritated and dull easily, try an aloe vera and cucumber mask, which is perfect for a soothing and refreshing treatment for your skin. Aloe vera contains vitamins A, C, and E, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties that help to calm down the irritation and redness, while cucumber will add an extra boost in hydration with its silica and mineral content and will leave your skin feeling rejuvenated. This mask is perfect for the ones having dry and sensitive skin. When applied, it will cool down your skin instantly by reducing the tightness and discomfort. Blend half a cucumber into a smooth paste and mix with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and then apply evenly over your face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse it off with lukewarm water. With regular use, it will give your skin a natural glow. 4. Banana and honey mask. A banana and honey mask is perfect for skin that lacks glow and is usually dull. Bananas, rich in potassium and vitamin A, will help nourish and moisturize the skin by promoting skin repair. Honey will act as a hydrating agent, giving your skin water, while the antioxidants present will help soothe and protect the skin. This combination will leave the skin feeling smooth and radiant, with its ability to give quick hydration. Mash half a ripe banana and mix it with 1 teaspoon of honey until it becomes smooth. Apply it gently to your face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel instantly relaxed, soft, and nourished. 5. Oatmeal and milk mask. If your skin feels rough and dull, go for an oatmeal and milk mask, which is gentle yet packed with soothing oatmeal fibers that will calm down the irritation and protect the skin barrier, while milk contains lactic acid and calcium, which will help exfoliate dead skin cells and nourish the skin. This will make your skin smooth by removing the dullness and keeping your skin hydrated and away from irritation. Mix 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with enough milk to form a smooth paste. Apply evenly on your face, then leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse off with lukewarm water. This will leave your skin feeling soft and glowing. 6. Rose water and glycerine mask. Glycerine, with its hydrating ability in nature, will lock in the moisture into your skin, while rose water, packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, will calm down the irritation and keep your skin refreshed from dull skin. Applying this mask will make you feel like you are using a facial mist and will leave your skin hydrated by softening the skin and giving a radiant glow without making it feel greasy and heavy. Mix 1 teaspoon of glycerine with 2 teaspoons of rose water. Apply it all over your face and leave it on for 20 to 15 minutes, then rinse it off with lukewarm water. 7. Coconut milk and honey mask. With regular use of a coconut milk and honey mask, this will give your skin a healthy and radiant glow, keeping your skin soft and hydrated. Coconut milk, rich in lauric acid and vitamins C and E, will help nourish, repair, and protect the skin. Whereas honey will give your skin moisture by keeping your skin hydrated. Applying this mask will soften your rough patches by giving you moisture and help keep your skin smooth with regular use. Mix 2 tablespoons of coconut milk with 1 teaspoon of honey to form a smooth paste. Apply gently over your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Your skin will feel nourished and hydrated. 8. Shea butter and aloe vera mask. For the ones having parched and irritated skin, a shea butter and aloe vera mask will give you a perfect repair for your skin. Shea butter contains vitamins A and E and fatty acids, which help deeply nourish and repair the skin, while aloe vera has hydration and healing properties, which will help calm down the redness and sensitivity in your skin. The mask, rich in texture, will create a protective and moisturizing layer on your skin, instantly repairing the dryness on your skin. Mix 1 teaspoon of shea butter with 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel until smooth. Apply evenly on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse it off with lukewarm or cold water. 9. Sweet potato and yogurt mask. If your skin feels dull and dry, try a sweet potato and yogurt mask for gentle and nourishing skin to give you a natural glow. Loaded with vitamin A and antioxidants, it will help brighten the skin and repair damage. Yogurt with lactic acid will provide a gentle exfoliation to your skin by locking in the moisture. This mask will leave your skin hydrated, brightening the tired and dry skin. Mashing 2 tablespoons of cooked sweet potato and mixing them with 1 tablespoon of yogurt to form a paste, applying it evenly to your face, and leaving it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and rinsing it off with lukewarm water will help keep your skin feeling soft and nourished. 10. Papaya and honey mask. A papaya and honey mask is a gentle, natural way to get fresh skin. Papaya, composed of vitamins C and enzymes like papain, will help exfoliate dead skin cells and brighten the complexion, while honey will nourish and lock in the moisture. After rinsing, your skin will feel smooth and radiant and be perfect for tired and dry skin to get a glow naturally. Mash 2 tablespoons of ripe papaya and mix with 1 teaspoon of honey. Apply evenly on your face and leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water for soft and glowing skin. So what do you guys think about this update? Let me know in the comments below. And if you like my videos, please press like and subscribe for more. I'll see you guys next time.